Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named System Analysis and Design. Now today's session is how to conduct AD sessions. In my previous lectures, I talked about JED and how to plan JED sessions. So in this video, I cover how to conduct AD sessions. Those who have not attended my previous videos related to JED, so in this video I just tell you in brief about what is JED. JED is basically Joint Application Development. It is a software development approach which engages the client and or the end users for designing and developing the system. Okay, so it is basically application development software in which many peoples unite together to develop a application. Okay, so this model is designed by Dr. Chuck Morris and Dr. Tony Crawford of IBM in the late 1970s. So when we compare to SDLC model, this development model leads to faster progression of the system development which has better client approval. Just because of the reason in SDLC we have to follow the process like first is the analysis phase. There are various phases as analysis phase, designing phase, coding phase, and then testing, then after maintenance. So it takes obviously time. It all depends on the project size. It should be major project or the minor one. It all totally depends on the size of the project. So according to the size of the project we can decide the duration of the project. So if we are talking about the JED model, JED application, in this many peoples are engaged in a project. So if have you heard about the brainstorming? About what is brainstorming? In the brainstorming many people suggest some ideas and which idea is the best, so they have to follow that idea and implement that idea accordingly, so that they will give the best to their product, or you can say application. So it is faster as compared to SDLC. Okay, so now come to how to conduct AD sessions. AD sessions can run from little as a half day to several weeks. It totally depends on the size, what is the size of the project, and obviously what is the scope of the project. So just like the today's example, nowadays we heard everywhere about COVID and Corona. Okay, fine. So in the previous history there is no as such term we have heard. So nowadays all the scientists, researchers are working on this term like and this virus. So they have actually no literature till now, but day by day when they are studying or when they see the present situation, so what they'll do they are just collecting those things, or you can say literature, and it it is compiled into the history. Okay, so on the basis of this survey, on the basis of this information, they are working on this. So it all depends on the size and duration of the project, whether what is the scope of that project. So until and unless we do not have a clear picture in our mind ki what is the scope of the project, we are not able to do efficiently in the development part. So we are not able to conduct that session. So basically the reason behind to conduct the session is ki how to implement that thing. Okay, so in our experience the most JET sessions tend to last 5 to 10 days spread over a 3 weeks period. It all depends on this situation and the task. Okay, so most ET sessions tend to take 1 to 4 days in a 1 week period. It all depends, as I told you. And JET and sometimes it is physically exists, sometimes it's electronic, like we people are taking your classes not physically. And so these are called the e-classes. Okay, virtual classes you can say. Means we are here and you people are also there, but we are not interacting face to face. We are interacting virtually, like electronically. Okay, so these sessions are sometimes JET and e-JET sessions usually move beyond the collection of information to producing analysis deliverables. Okay, so for example, the users and the analysts collectively can create use cases, process models, or the requirements information, or you can say requirement definition. As with interviewing, we all know about what is interview, what is interviewing, and so when the interviewing session is so JET success, it totally depends upon a careful plan. If you plan accordingly, carefully, or alertive through alertness, then we definitely get the success, or we definitely give the best product. Okay, so this session usually are designed and structured along the same principles as interviews. Okay, so most of the sessions of JET are designed to collect specific information from the user, and this requires the development of a set of questions prior to the meeting. Now, difference between the JET and interview is what all JET sessions are structured. Okay, they must be carefully planned, right? In general, closed-ended questions are seldom used because they do not spark the open and frank discussions that is typically of JET. Of course, it is better to proceed top-down in JET sessions when gathering information. Typically, 30 minutes is allocated to each separate agenda item, and frequent breaks are scheduled throughout the day because participants tire easily. Okay, so we have to put this in our mind while conducting the AD sessions. So this is all about the conduct of AD sessions. Now this is a question for your practice. What is the process to conduct AD sessions? Right? Thank you so much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.